Hello, hello dear students, you are welcome in Art Institute. Today we will be discuss addition reaction of alkene and their stereochemistry. First of all, we take an anti-addition. Taking alkene and halogen as a reactant. For example, cis-2-butene react with bromine and the product is 2,3-dibromobutane. This is the addition of anti-mechanism because the intermediate of this reaction is cyclic halonium ion. The intermediate of this reaction is cyclic particularly bromonium ion. And hence in step second, bromide ion attack back side to the bromine which already present in this is an intermediate species. We write Fischer projection formula of the product. In this compound, the methyl group of this carbon eclipsed with hydrogen. Similarly, bromine of this carbon has eclipsed formed with same bromine of another carbon atom. Therefore, CH3 and bromine of carbon first are eclipsed with hydrogen and bromine of another carbon. Similarly, hydrogen and methyl are also exist in eclipsed form. We write their actual Fischer projection formula by taking half part remains constant and another half simultaneously rotated, by which methyl group occupy vertical position. Therefore, its actual Fischer projection formula is following. This compound is optically active, may be dextrorotatory or levorotatory, and their mirror image is also optically active, but it has a reverse optical activity. If compound first is dextro, then compound second is levo. Therefore, we can say when cis alkene show anti-addition, then product is optically active and one form is dextrorotatory and another form is levorotatory, and as overall racemization takes place and as overall mixture is optically inactive. It is the mechanism of anti-addition, or simply we learn CAR. CAR means in case of cis alkene show anti-addition, then the product is racemic mixture. Or we also write cis alkene also denoted by Z, Jusamin in anti-addition, and R is racemic mixture in which addition groups occupy opposite side, and hence it is also known as trio compound. In case of different alkyl group present in transalkene, then product is also known as trio. Similar type. Now we discuss anti-addition of transalkene. Taking transalkene and reaction with halogen. Transalkene reaction with halogen. Taking trans-2-butene as a reactant. And react with halogen. So due to intermediate is cyclic species, no rearrangement and no classical carbon, therefore it is typically anti-addition, and the product is also 2,3-dibromobutane in anti form. Suppose this bromine occupy carbon first and in another this bromine at their position. We write also their Fischer projection formula. The hydrogen, the methyl of this carbon has eclipsed form with methyl of another carbon. Similarly, hydrogen of this carbon so eclipsed conformation with bromine of another carbon. Similarly, H and H are also eclipsed in form, and hence such compound is known as meso. Such compound is known as meso. It is also optically inactive because it possesses plane of symmetry. Therefore, it is meso. Because methyl so eclipsed form with methyl. See the Fischer projection formula. Bromine so eclipsed conformation with bromine. See the formula. And hydrogen also exists in eclipsed form with hydrogen of another carbon. Therefore, compound is optically inactive due to it possesses plane of symmetry, and it is also known as internal compensation. If therefore we learn in form of TAM. T means transalkene, cis addition, and the product is meso. If we take a different alkyl group, in alkene, then product is similar type but not meso. Because plane of symmetry does not present in this group, and hence compound is optically active, and it is known as erythro. Because similar groups or atom lie in same side in Fischer projection formula. Therefore, we also write if alkene is trans, or we can say alkene has androgen configuration E in addition, then product is erythro. Therefore, we discuss anti-addition and stereochemistry of alkene. Now we will discuss syn addition. of alkene. Taking alkene and Bayer's reagent as a reactant. First of all, we are taking cis alkene and Bayer's reagent. What do you mean by Bayer's reagent? Bayer's reagent is 1% alkaline solution of KMnO4 in cold condition, or we can say cold 1% alkaline solution of KMnO4 is known as Bayer's reagent, and it used for hydroxylation of alkene and alkyne, and hence the product is same. Because cyclic species formed as an intermediate species. For example, when Bayer's reagent attack with alkene, then both OH group present at the same side. Of alkene. If OH group write right hand side of this carbon, then similarly OH group of this carbon also write right side to the CH3, because cyclic species is an intermediate species. When permanganate ion attack with alkene, then due to delocalization form a cyclic ring, and hence no rearrangement takes place. By their hydrolysis, we obtain cis product. On their hydrolysis, this bond H OH H OH, and hence glycol and brown precipitate of MnO2. In alkaline medium, the permanganate ion reduced into MnO2. In this oxidation state of manganese change from +7 to +4. Now we find stereochemistry of the product. In this case, methyl of this carbon, so eclipse form with methyl of another carbon. Similarly, OH group of this carbon is eclipse form of this carbon, and hydrogen are also eclipse form. Therefore, their Fischer projection formula is such type: CH3OH. OH is eclipse form with OH, and hydrogen with hydrogen. Therefore, it is a meso compound. And hence we write CSM, means cis alkene, syn addition, and the product is meso. In case of different alkyl group present in alkene, then product is not meso, but it is optically active. However, both OH group present at the same site. Therefore, it is also known as erythro. And hence, at the place of cis, we also write Jusamen. Addition is same, and the product is optically active, and it is known as erythro. Now, we will discuss syn addition of transalkene. Taken transtubutene. Similarly, it is transtubutene. The intermediate species is cyclic species, therefore no rearrangement, and hence both OH groups lie in the same side of the alkene, and the product is also 2,3-dihydroxybutane, or also known as butane 2,3-diol. Now we discuss their stereochemistry. It is H and it is CH3. Write their Fischer projection formula. In this compound, methyl group of this carbon, so eclipse form with hydrogen, and OH group of this carbon, so eclipse form of the OH group of another carbon, and H are also in eclipse form. Therefore, we write methyl eclipsed with hydrogen, hydroxide group eclipsed with hydroxide group, and hydrogen of this carbon eclipsed with methyl of another carbon. We write their actual Fischer projection formula by taking constant of half part and half part are simultaneously rotating clockwise, and hence their actual Fischer projection formula is following: CH3 H OH H OH and CH3. It is optically active compound. Suppose it is D and there another form is N, and hence we can say in case of syn addition, of transalkene, the product is racemic mixture. It is also D and L are known as racemic mixture. However, the resultant solution become optically inactive. In case of different alkyl group, then the product is also optically active, known as D or L, or also known as 3 or 4, because similar type group or atoms present in opposite side to the Fischer projection formula, therefore it is also known as 3O, and hence transalkene also write in antizin form, addition same, and the product is 3O. Therefore, today we complete addition reaction with stereochemistry of alkene with halogenation as well as hydroxylation. Thanks.